Picture a stereotypical lawyer. Suit clad, briefcase in hand, gliding up to the bar table to present a complex, but incredibly expensive, legal case to a panel of judges. This represents under 10% of the cases in our legal system. Under 10%, illustrated by the top portion of the slide behind me. Lawyers, sometimes known as sharks, represent clients in legal cases in court. But people don't have legal cases. They have problems that require some means of solution, sometimes through negotiation. Think of your current employment contract. Let's say something's gone wrong. You haven't been paid correctly for the past couple of months, and you're anxious to resolve this, but a bit nervous to talk to your employer because, let's face it, they have all of the power in this situation. So what do? One option, hire a lawyer to negotiate on your behalf. My research looks at the skills that lawyers use in negotiation and how we teach these skills to our law students. In the current Australian legal education system, in every mandatory topic, students learn about the court system, the way that issues unfold in court. There is no requirement to teach anything about legal negotiation in the undergraduate curriculum. This needs to change. Negotiation is a fundamental skill that all lawyers must have. Recent research even indicates that one of practitioners' biggest fears out in legal practice is about their lack of ability to prepare for a legal negotiation. In 2011, the Attorney General sought to address this. He commissioned an advisory council to work with law schools to increase the number of schools that teach negotiation. Unfortunately, this council was disbanded within just 2 years due to lack of funding, without achieving any of these aims. This is where my research steps in. I aim to bridge this gap between negotiation skill, theory, and practice. I've spoken to law students from 7 Australian law schools about their knowledge of negotiation, about the skills that they've picked up along the way through external negotiation competitions. These conversations have led me to draw out some of these fundamental skills that we must start teaching to our students. In my thesis, I propose ways of embedding these skills throughout the entire undergraduate curriculum to increase our students' skills in this area, as well as their confidence, and to reduce their anxieties as they enter into practice, so that they have constant evaluation and constant learning of these skills that they will use every single day. It is my hope that this will move us away from stereotypical concepts such as circling sharks towards competent lawyers in our society who take a skills-oriented, client-centred approach to resolving all 100% of their clients' problems. Thank you.